Hi there, welcome back to my Studio 25 guides and tutorials. Today what I'm going to show you is that we've had some issues with the van. I've cleaned out the EGR valve and whatnot, and I've shown you that on previous videos. It turns out that it's actually been an injector fault. It's quite common on the TVPs, so I had to get a specialist out to remove the injectors. You had this specialist like hydraulic tool that helps lift them out. I tried to get a video of him doing a bit of the work, but you don't really see much. But I'll upload the content that I have got, and hopefully it'll help other people. Right, so I don't know if you can see that, but on cylinder 2 injector we've got some damaged looking cables. So what we're going to do is, we've got a replacement connector here in much better condition, and we're just going to piggyback it on. Some solder, bit of heat shrink, and connect it up just to see if it gets rid of the fault. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's a bloody mess in there. Number 4 injector I've got a receipt for in the history of the van. It's fairly recent and the resistance is testing okay on that one. The resistance on 1 and 2 were all over the place. Cylinder 1 injector was getting to 180, but it was jumping in and out. Number 3 was up in like mega ohms. I don't even know what number it got to, but it was well on its way. Number 4, it's the newest injector that I had in here, and that's straight up to 180, no problem on the DMM. So given the cost of these things, I've just decided to do the 3 at the moment that were gubbed. So my next task is, basically I'll get the tissue out of the way, and I'm going to get a little bit of sandpaper, clean out the rough edges. There's been quite a lot of water ingress. So I had a specialist come out to do the actual pulling of the injectors. I would highly recommend it. It's going to save you a lot of heartache. 2 tons of pressure were on these injectors to get them out, and there's no way you're getting them out with a slide hammer. So yeah, a worthy investment to get a professional on the job actually removing the injectors for you. So basically the van's all back together now. It's running sweet as a nut. Putting in the 3 new injectors made what a difference. It's just night and day. So if you're having the same problems, sorry, we got a little fly there. If you're having the same problems as I was with lack of power, basically struggling to get up the hills, the stoplight was flashing on, but when we were under like 2,500 revs, the van felt so smooth. I had convinced myself that it was an electrical fault and it wasn't injectors, but having measured the ohms of the injectors and finding out that in fact it was 3 of them were away, yeah, having replaced them, what a difference the van is now running so sweet. So yeah, it's a big expense, but certainly worth doing. So yeah, thank you all for watching. That concludes my video today. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll keep uploading content. Thank you.